yourself, the ghost. Now, do you want to see me do my magic? Yeah. Yung ako na. Alright, let's do this. Ariodini! Palakpakan natin na si Ariodini. Thank you so much. Little space in front and the back. Thank you so much, Ariodini. Now, it's my turn to do my part of the show. Now again, I'll be asking a volunteer from you guys. Meron din ako dito prediction. Pamilyar ba kayo sa prediction? Yes. Prediction is something that will happen that you will know before it actually happens. Tama? Kunyari, you will predict na mag-break si Mika at yung jowa niya. Prediction yun. Pag nangyari yun, magaling yun nag-predict, tama? Yeah. Pag hindi nangyari, matibay yung relasyon mo. Well, anyway, this is my prediction for tonight. And let's find out if the prediction will happen. If the prediction will actually happen, guys, will that be amazing? Yes! I'll put it in front, once again, just to show you, no switching will happen. It will always be there before I start the routine so that you will know walang magpapalit. Now, again, I need another volunteer. Yung merong malinis na intensyon, walang masamang hangarin. Sino ba? Si Cassie? Where's Cassie? Si Cassie daw? Cassie? Nasaan si Cassie? Nakarin, Cassie. Palakpakan naman natin si Cassie. Cassie, I don't want to disturb you sitting down. Just stay on your seats. Pamilyar ka sa cards? Hindi. Hindi? O wag ka na. Hindi, okay lang. Ito gawin natin. Again, I'll be doing the magic this time. Hindi si Harry Houdini. Alright? I'll be doing it this time. I have a normal deck of cards once again. All different. Now, to shuffle the cards, Cassie, right in front of everybody. Just like what Mika did a while ago. Cassie, shuffle it. I'll say stop whenever you want, Cassie. Are you sure? So, this time I will be doing the magic. Just look at the card of Cassie. You see Cassie's card? Cassie's card. This is your card. If Cassie said stop on a different time, you will have a different card, tama? Tama? There are 52 different cards, 52 options. If you said stop on a different time, iba yung card, tama? Tama ba rin? Now, let's find out what is my prediction. If my prediction will match the decision of Cassie, guys, will that be amazing? Yes. And once again, I would like to thank you because this will be an amazing night for you. The card of Cassie, the Ace of Diamond. Sabihin na naman. Are you sure? May lumapit ba dito? Pinalitan? Wala. Oh my goodness. So it's a mistake. I'm very sorry. Pero ganito gawin natin. If prediction is not going to happen, pagbabasa ko ng isip. I will read mine. Cassie, are you open to be read by your mind? I'm going to read your mind. Okay lang. Papasok ako sa isip mo. Wala ka bang masamang plano ngayon? Wala kang tutukutan o wala meron kaibigan dito. Wala kang bubudulin. Cassie, this is what I want you to do. I'm going inside your mind. Imagine a white door in front of you. This is how I do it. White door. Slowly open the door. Don't close it. I will try to go inside your mind right now.